Good afternoon, guys. So I just bought this Toro Super Recycler offline off Facebook for $50. The seller said that it had a hard time running, but it did run, they said. But when I got home, I decided to take a look at it, and you can see how dirty and caked in all this debris and dirt and dust is in there. So that's probably the main issue. There's no gas in the gas tank, so that's good. It's pretty dry. I don't know if you can see or not. And I checked the oil, and it's too full and really black, so I'm going to be changing that and doing a couple other things. And it does spin. It does crank over. Underneath looks pretty good. Just kind of dirty and dusty, but clean that up and see how it goes, see if I can get it running or not. So I'm just starting to drain it and see how black that is. I don't think that's never been changed. I don't think they did anything, no maintenance wise, since they probably owned this. I think I might need to get a new blade. Oh yeah, definitely need a new blade. Yeah, blade's chipped there. So we're cleaning it up. See how it does. But doesn't look to be banged up too bad. Looks pretty good shape underneath the deck. Pretty clean actually. Comes with the plug on it. Then come with the bag butt. I'm gonna be mainly mulching anyway. But yeah, I need new tires. But yeah. See what happens with it.